whatever. Alright, so this is Mackenzie Scanlon and Marshall Stutz, and this is our game for having built the 353 Snake game. So, the first thing to keep in mind when looking at this is that our game required a ton of drivers. We ended up using the timers, we ended up using the UART, several different interrupts involving the ADC and the I2C and the radio and the EEPROM and all those things. So basically the way that our code works is we originally start our game by initializing the board, and that involves configuring all of the different components all the way down, including the LED, which we managed to get working. Then the next thing that we go into is the initialization of the game, which is down here. And so basically all that it does is it goes into this home screen, and I'm going to demonstrate all of this in just a second, and then it goes down to allow you to either exit the game or play the game, and if you play the game, then we start seeing some more effects that I'll get to in a second. So, alright, so meanwhile, right now it's just idling. I just loaded the software in, and so what you'll see is it starts and it prints off the students' names and the team number, and then the packets received and the packets sent. Right now it's not hooked into any other board, so it's not receiving or sending any packets. And so it's going to keep doing that, and right now it's in a loop where it continuously resets the watchdog timer anyway because it knows it's not attached to another board, and that's going to change once we start actual gameplay. So let's demonstrate the fact that we can change our names. I'm going to make my name just, hold on, Mac. Let's make his name Mar, and then we're going to be Team 00. Alright, so now we are Student 1, Student 2, and Team 00. And the reason that these extra things showed up is because it actually restarted due to the watchdog timer right in the middle of that. So alright, so that having been said, we did get the ADC stuff working so that it does feed like the potentiometer values to the FIFO, but we had nothing to do with that, so it just kind of is doing it now. So now, if you'd like, we can begin actually playing the game. So yeah, this is very hard to demonstrate. So yeah, it's sorry exit, and if you look up here, it has a high score and a your score. And so now let's go to trying again. Alright, we're going to replay. And alright, so see, he moves, and once you run into the berry, you actually grow by one more. And there we go. Oh, I'm going down, up, I'm going up. So if you look, he keeps growing as he hits the berries one at a time, and he's controlled by moving the joystick. Keep in mind that in order to go right, you have to hold the joystick down. Now, the wonderful thing about this is that he, over there, has to be playing the same game at the same time, otherwise they will shut down due to the watchdog timer. So that's sort of the same concept as with the whole, like, Pokemon Go, where they're trying to get people out and actually making friends. So see, we're good people. Alright, and so I'm going to die in order to show that I have finished. Boom, sorry. Up, exit, so now if I say exit, we're done. Alright, and as you can see, we have sent and received